Hi, welcome to Julie's Tips Learn How to Use Folk. In this video, I'll show you how to track the performance of your emails sent from Folk and easily take action based on the results. Before we dive in, a few important points to keep in mind. If your sender is set as a Gmail sender, analytics aren't available yet. We'll only track replies. If you've disabled pixel tracking, same, the only metric we'll track is replies. Once your emails are sent, head to the Messages section in the top left corner. Then open the Sent tab to find all your sent campaigns. You can quickly locate a specific campaign by searching by subject or applying filters to retrieve campaigns by sender, creator, sent date, or created date. Click on any campaign to view detailed analytics. You'll see key performance metrics, including sent, the number of successfully delivered emails, opened, how many recipients opened your email, clicked, how many clicked on links inside your email, replied, how many responded, tracked only if your email is connected to Folk, bounced, the number of emails that failed to deliver. Each metric has its own tab showing the list of recipients associated with that action. For example, under the Not Open tab, you'll see everyone who didn't open your email. You can select these contacts to take action directly. For example, start a new email to follow up or add them to a group to continue nurturing them later. Folk let you analyze your email performance insights to keep your outreach momentum going.